Hi and welcome to this safeMedicate video tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to take a look at our new external examiner share feature. So starting from the home page, click on the feedback center option from the header. For this example, I'm going to search for the assessment via user group. Next, you need to enter the relevant information. So I'm going to search for 2017 Cohort B Group Demo Users Child. Now from the list, you can see that there are 3 assessments that have been sat by this particular group and cohort. Click directly on the chosen assessment you wish to review. So for this example, I'm going to review the Essential Skills ADA assessment. You'll now be brought through to the assessment overview as shown on screen. So from here, you can see that the features and options have an additional icon which is being highlighted on screen now. Click on this icon to share the assessment with an external examiner. Now you'll be asked to enter the external examiner's email address and choose an expiration date to access the assessment. Once you've filled in the relevant information, click Share Now. As shown on screen, the external examiner will receive an email invitation to access the assessment. They will need to click the View Shared Assessment link to verify their identity and to view the assessment. As shown on screen, they will need to choose a password including all the required specifications and then confirm the password. Once they've done this, click Next to view the shared assessment. Now, the external examiner will have access to the feedback center to review the assessment. Thanks for taking the time to watch this tutorial. Now if you do have any questions about this feature, then please get in touch with a member of the team.